Hello beautiful ladies, I hope you have a great day so far. Friends, today I am going to share with you my everyday makeup drawer reorganization and some changes of my everyday makeup drawer. So let's start the video without further ado. Friends, I have some boxes, so I keep my makeup organized in these boxes. So let's start. Firstly, this foundation is too dark for me in winter, and this elf hello glow liquid filter, so I keep it out from this drawer at the moment. And friends, this max factor all day flawless foundation, it's also a matte foundation, so it's not work in winter days because in winter my skin is very dry, so I also keep it out from this drawer. Then friends, here my eyeshadow palettes, so this is new one, come in this. Friends, these three lipstick, one is lip gloss and lip butter, and this long lasting Maybelline lip color lipstick. I keep these on another thing. Here are my lip liner and eyeliner and some brushes. So I keep all the pencils in this box. This box is good for lipstick, I think, so let's try if all fix in this one. Friends, I have this little cup. It's not usable, so I keep my all lipstick which are I used most. I keep in this one. So that's it, friends. This is my everyday makeup drawer, well organized. I hope you like my organization. And thanks for watching, friends.